Hi, I'm Isabella. I am a macrame artist and tutor. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Picot knot. Let's get started. Subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. To make the Picot knot, you will need 4 strings. We will start by making a square knot. Next, we are going to make another square knot by leaving a 2-finger space gap at the top. Once you have finished the second square knot, slide it up to make the first Picot knot. Next, make another square knot with 1-finger space gap at the top. Once you finish the third square knot, slide it up to make the second Picot knot. For more macrame techniques and inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas.